Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to trim your videos perfectly for Instagram stories so they fit smoothly without getting cut off or looking awkward. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the plus button like you're about to create a new post or story. Now, choose a video from your gallery, or if you want something fresh, tap the camera icon and record a new clip. Once your video loads up on the screen, look at the bottom left corner and tap Edit Video. Or you can simply swipe up and the editing tools will appear. You'll see a scissors icon, tap on that. This opens the trimming timeline. Now drag the video handles left or right to choose the exact part of the clip you want to use in your story. Take your time here. Find the smoothest start and end so your story feels natural and on point. When you're happy with your trim, don't hit the blue arrow to post yet. Instead, tap the back button in the upper left corner. This brings you back to the preview screen. From here, tap the download icon. This saves your newly trimmed video to your phone. No posting needed yet. Now, go back to your Instagram homepage. Swipe from the left to open the Story Creator. Tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner and choose your freshly trimmed clip. Now you can add text, music, stickers, filters, whatever fits your vibe, and post it as your story. And just like that, your Instagram story looks clean, polished, and perfectly trimmed. If this helped you out, make sure to keep watching for more quick tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.